Welcome to the teaser for our work on recommending Stack Overflow posts for fixing runtime exceptions using failure scenario matching. In a typical development scenario, runtime exceptions occur frequently. In such situations, developers often refer to Stack Overflow for help. For this, they create a search query based on the exception and browse the search results to identify the most relevant post and then adapt the fix suggested in the answers of that post to their own code. However, all of these steps are manual and hence time consuming. This motivates our work to automate steps 1 and 2. We propose a technique called Maestro that can automatically recommend the most relevant Stack Overflow post to help resolve a given runtime exception in a developer's code. Maestro finds the best post by comparing the exception generating program scenario in the developer's code with that discussed in each post. To extract and compare the exception scenario effectively, Maestro first identifies the failure-producing lines in the question code snippet in a post using their answer snippets, and then compares these lines with the developer's code in terms of their abstract program graph or the APG representations. The APG is a simplified and abstracted derivative of an AST developed by us to facilitate an effective comparison. In the evaluation on 78 real-world instances, Maestro was effective in recommending a relevant Stack Overflow post in 71% of the cases in only 2.6 seconds on median. By comparison, 4 state-of-the-art techniques reported a relevant post in only 8 to 44% of the cases. Lastly, we also conducted a user experience study where Maestro met with a high user approval rate and in some cases even found better posts than the participants' manual search. Thank you.